This is going to be a very quick video on nesting. I just got off the phone with a guy that is looking at grabbing one of our machines, and he has several sizes of products that he has to make and cut, and wants to be able to, change the quantity of them quickly and have it do the nesting. So I've got 3 different products, and say these are some stock sizes that he has to have, and here's his 4x8 sheet. So say he wants to do 5, well, let's go 5, 10, and 15 of these on this next run that he needs to make, or production run. So when you do nesting, you select the items that you want to nest and give them a quantity here. I'm not going to go through the tool settings here, but say we're cutting with a 1/4 inch bit, and we're going to use a 1/4 inch clearance between parts and a 1 inch gap, a border gap, so I can screw the material down. So on this one, he wants to do 5 of them and apply, and it'll put the quantity that you're going to work with here. And if I preview it, it goes straight in and nests them, and so we don't necessarily want to do that. I'm going to do Control-Z to back out, because I want to put the other quantities in there. And if I nest them and then say I want to do this too, and I want 10 of these, apply, preview, they're on top of each other. So we don't want to do that. The way it's set up makes sense. It just took a minute to see it. So pick the object that you want, give it the quantity there, and apply. And then it's tracking that. So this, I want to do 10, and this, I'm going to do 15. And apply. So even though this isn't marked and no longer is showing that it's 10, when I select it, it shows that there's 10 of them to be used, and 5 here and 15 here. Now when I preview, it'll combine all of those into one feature set. Control-Z. I want to take all of these, and so I highlighted them by dragging a box left to right, top to bottom, and then put them in. And it works as expected. And then here's the second sheet, had a few of them on there too. So he can draw his stock parts here, apply a quantity for a given production run, shoot them off, have it nested, and off you go. So very quick video, just wanted to show that. It took me a second to work through it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Yeti Tools Southeast at www.YetiSmartBench.com, and the phone is 205-871-6618. Thank you.